Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So today I want to discuss the exercises of percentage. Okay, exercise 10.1. So before going to start, just little information for you. So you should get ready at first with your copies because you should practice also. You should try also. Okay, after that you will see the solution. And another important thing that those who are sending the work, homework, that is okay. But few students are not sending their work. That is very bad. So for them only we are requesting that please do your work, and even in doubt, okay, any problem, just you should inform the teachers. They are waiting for your homework only. You are not giving any response, so that is very bad, very bad. Clear? If you know, if you learn something that is good for you only, so that's why. Okay. So you should not waste the time. Since you are getting time, you should utilize the time properly. Okay. Okay, now let's start exercise 10.1. Okay, so today we'll discuss what exercise 10.1. So at first you should read the question thoroughly because answer already given in the question. So that's why what is the given data you should know at first. After that we'll find out the that answer. So that's why. So see the question. What is the question? Convert the following marks into the percentage and find out who has scored the highest marks. Clear? Convert the following marks into percentage and find out who has scored the highest marks. This is the question. Okay. Okay. Now see, at first what to do, we find out what percentage. After that who has got the or who has scored the highest mark, that one we find out. Okay. So now see, at first Mahi, no, Mahi. So for Mahi we find out what 240 by 300 into 100, no, because we find out percentage. So that's why when we percentage that one, that time what to do, that time we multiply by 100. Okay, that means 100 3 ja 300 and 380 ja 24 means 240 here. That means 80%. 3 8 ja 24, no, so that means 380 ja 3 8 ja 24. That means 3 into 80 will get what 240. That means 80% is coming. That is for what Mahi. Okay. Next Suresh. So Suresh equal to, for Suresh, 200 by 250, same process, multiply by 100, multiply by 100, 0 0 cancel it, 5 2 is 10, here 5 5 is 25. Clear? Next 5, here 40, 5 into 40 200. Okay, so 40 into 2 we are getting what 80%. Clear or not? 80%. That means Mahi also gets what 80%, and here Suresh also 80%, same percentage. Okay. Now Rita. Now Rita see 180 by 200. That means into multiply by 100, multiply by 100. That means 100 2 is 200, here 2 9 9 is 18, 2 9 is 18. That means here 90 will come. That means 90%. That is for what? That is for Rita. Means Mahi got 80. Next Suresh got 80%, Rita 90%. So who got the highest score? That means Rita got the highest score, or Rita has scored the highest marks. Okay, clear? Okay. Next question, see. Next question what? Alka. Alka equal to 28 by 50. That means you multiply by 100. So 50 into 2, 200. That means 28 into 2, 28 into 56%. That is for Alka. Next Minto. Minto, see, for Minto 11 by 20 now. So into 100. So 25 is 100. That means 11 5 is 55%. Clear? Next Sohon. Sohon 23 by 25. 23 by 25 into 100. Clear or not? So 25 4 is 100. 23 into 4 what? 92%. Okay, you will do the multiplication or multiplication. That means who has got the highest score? Who has scored the highest marks? Means Suresh has scored the highest marks. For the second question. Clear? Understood everyone? I have understood. And if any doubt, any problem for this question or for this answer, you should inform me. Again I will discuss it. Again I will explain. Clear? Okay. Next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is telling convert the following fractions into percentage. Very easy, convert the following fractions into percentage. So here 4 problems are there. I will do only two or three problems. The another problems, the remaining problems you will do. You will try and show me. Okay. So now do everyone try it. 8 into 100 or not, because we convert into percentage. Fraction given, we convert into percentage. That means we multiply by 100. Clear? Then cancellation. Here 4 2 is 8 and here 4 25 is. Okay. Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So we'll do what? Multiplication now. 25 7 ja. 25 7 ja what? 25 7 ja 175 by 2 by 2%. That means we convert into decimal. Okay. 175 by 2 means what? We'll get 2 8 ja 16. Okay. Next 2 7 ja 14. Next 0.5. Clear? That means 87.5. Okay. Next 9 by 10. 9 by 10 into 100%. 9 by 10 into 100%. Okay. So here 10 10 is 100. 10 10 is 100. That means we are getting here 9 into 10, 90%. Clear or not? Easy? Very easy. Okay. Next, last problem I am doing. Question number 3. You will do. You will try it. Okay, and show me. Last question. What is the question? 240 by 200 into 100, because you convert into percentage. So that's why. Now cancel it. Cancel it. 100 to the 200. 100 to the 200. Here 240 divided by 2 means we will get what? 120. That means 120%. Very easy. Easy problems are there. Clear or not? Clear, everyone? Clear? Okay. Now next question. Read the question, everyone. Convert the following decimals. Convert the following decimals into percentage. Decimal is given. We convert into percentage. So percentage means how to convert into percentage means the only multiplication by 100, no. So that's why here also same process, we will multiply by 100. So 0.6, first question, see, 0.6 into 100. Clear? So 0.6 into 100 means what will get? See here, point, no, after point how many digits? One digit. But here how many zeros? Two zeros. So that's why we need another zero, means another digit, and another digit means we need here what? Zero. That means only 60 will come. Clear or not? Concept clear? Because here after point one digit, but here given what? Two zeros. Two zeros means we need two digits, but only one digit was there. So that's why here 10 will come. That means 60%. Clear? Next 1.4%. Sorry, 1.4 is there. We find out what percentage means, multiply by 100. Same process. Same process. Okay. So 1.4 into 100 means what? Means 14. After 4, see after point here 4, no, one digit means here 10 will come, because here two zeros. Two zeros means we need two digits, but here after point one digit, that means 10 will come. So 114. That is the answer. Clear? Next 0.04. 0.04 into 100. 100%. Now see here after point how many digits? Two digits. That means another zero no need. So that's why that point will go to the right hand side after two digits. That means what? Here 0, next 0, 4. After 4 point will go, no. After 4 point will go, because after two digits. So that means here 4% is coming. Clear? Next see 0.008 into 100 or not? 100, because we convert into percentage, so that's why. Clear? Okay, now see after point here how many digits? Three digits, but here how many zeros? Two zeros. So that's why we'll go to the right hand side after two digits. After two digits means after two zeros. After point here two zeros. So after two zeros will go, means before 8 point will come or not? Before 8 point will come. Yes, before 8 point will come. Understood? Clear, everyone? So that means here 0.8 will be the answer. 0.8%. That is the answer. I hope understood, everyone. These easy problems, and this type of problems you did before also. So this is the little concept. Clear? Okay. Next question, what? Convert the following percentage into fractions, and then lowest terms. Convert into the lowest term also. Convert into lowest term also. So how to do this one? How to do this one? Convert the following percent into fraction. We convert into at first fraction, after that lowest terms. Okay, I hope you know, and you should try it. After that I will explain it. Okay, after that I will explain. Okay, so he see here 66% given, no? 66% given fraction, 66%. Okay, 66% means we can write what? 66 by 100. When we are removing the percentage sign, that denominator point, that 100 will come. Clear? Clear? That means division will come. Okay, division will come. And when we are converting into the percentage, that time what will come? That time that 100 will come in numerator. Concept clear? When we are bringing percentage, means we convert into percentage, that time we'll write 100 where? In numerator. And when we are removing the percentage sign, that time 100 will come in denominator. Clear? Clear or not? Clear? Okay, so now fraction part we are getting after the lowest term. Lowest term means cancellation, only cancel. Clear? Now see here 66 divided by 2 means 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Here also we are getting 100 means 250 is. Clear or not? So that means 33 by 50 we are getting. That is the answer. 33 by 50. That is the lowest term of the fraction. That is the lowest term of the fraction. Understood everyone? Clear or not? Clear? Okay. So next question, what? 78%. 78%. Okay. 78%. So 78% means we can write what? 78 by 100 according to the formula. After that cancellation. This one divisible by 2. So 2 3 is 6. And here 9. And here 50. 250 is 100. That means we are getting 39 by 50. Clear or not? Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Next what? 44%. 44% means we can write what? 44 by 100 or not? 44 by 100. After that cancellation a little bit. 44 means what? 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4. And here 100 means 50. That means we are getting 22 by 50. Again see cancel is possible. See this one divisible by 2. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja means 11 2 11 ja 22. And here 2 25 ja 50. That means we are getting here 11 and 25. After that no cancel not possible. That means 11 by 2 25. That is the answer. That is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? 30% you will do. Everyone you will try. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, the remaining portion whatever we are doing here, after that remaining portion, that one you will try. Okay, and show me, and if any doubt you can ask me. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, now see question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is telling that 28%. 28%. 28% percentage given means what? We can write what? 28 by 100. 28 by 100 or not? We can write. Yes, we can write it. That means in denominator power of 10 came. In denominator power of 10 came. Okay, in denominator power of 10 came. So that's why direct division possible. How will do? See here power of the 10s means here how many zeros here? 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Clear or not? So that's why we'll do direct division. How? When the 2 zeros is will be there or something, or power of 10s is there, that time we'll do direct division. Means what? That point will go to the left hand side. Okay, we should not do that division on it. Direct we can write it that a form, decimal form. Okay, by direct division. See here 2 zeros. 100 means 2 zeros. Okay, okay, and here 28 means 2 digits, no? That means point will go to the left hand side after 2 digits. That means here 2 digits means here 0.28, because point always there in right hand side, that point will go to the left hand side. Okay, how many zeros? You should just observe it. According to the zeros, that point will go. Suppose here 3 zeros. 3 zeros means after 3 digits point will go. Clear? That means here will come 0.28. 0.28 means we can write where? 0.28. 0.28 means we can write 0.28. Okay, next 45%. Next 45%. 45% means we can write what? 45 by 100. Clear or not? Clear? Now see here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So that's why here how many digits? 2 digits. That's why point will go after 2 digits. After 2 digits, that means after 4 point will come. Clear or not? Point is going from right to left. Right to left. So after 2 digits point will come. That means after 4 point will come. That means 0.45. Clear? And normally 10 will come. That means 0.45. 0.45 will come. Clear? That is the answer. Clear or not? Concept clear? Clear everyone? Hmm? Okay, next 120%. See, 120%. 120%. 120% means we can write what? 120 by 100 or not? Yes, 120 divided by 100 because percentage we are removing percentage sign. So that's why you can write 100 in denominator. After that cancel, 0 cancel. Clear? Now we are getting 12 by 10. So see here 10. 10 means direct division here also possible. Power of 10 means that is possible. Direct division possible. Okay. Now 10 means after one digit point will go from right hand side and it is going to the left hand side. Okay. So right to left means after 2 point will come means 1 and between 1 and 2 point will come or not? Yes. Clear? Suppose 12 by 100, that time what will come? That time after 1 point will come because you have 2 zeros. So that's why after 2 digits point will come. Clear or not? And 1 zero means after 1 digit point will go. Clear? So that's why after 2 here point is coming. Clear? And here after the 2 zeros means after 2 digits point will come. That means here 0.12 and one normal 0 we can put it here. That means 0.12. That is the answer. Clear? Clear everyone? And the next problem, next one, question number 4, you will do it. 36% you just do it. Okay? Clear everyone? Okay. I hope you understood everyone. Now we'll do what? Next problem. Next problem what? Next problem is telling that convert the following fractions and decimal into percentage. Convert the following fractions and decimals into percentage and arrange the descending order. Clear? So what is the meaning of the question? At first question, see that fraction is there, so we convert into percentage. After that we arrange it in descending order. Clear? So now what to do? The same process we at first convert into percentage. So what is the question? 4 by 5, 3 by 10, 17 by 20, 18 by 25 and 1 by 2. These are the question and we convert into percentage. How we convert this one? How we convert? Just 4 by 5, 3 by 10. Just I am writing here the question. Okay, 4 by 5, 3 by 10, 4 by 5 into 100 because we are converting in percentage. So that's why here 5 to the 10 means 20 will come and 20 into 4 means what? 80%. Clear? 80% is coming. Clear? First 80% is coming. Next one 3 by 10. Next one 3 by 10, 17 by 20. Next 3 by 10 into 100. 10 and 100 will be cancelled. 10 times 100. So we are getting 3 into 10, 30%. We are getting 30%. Second one, first one 80%, second one 30%. Clear? Next one, third one. Actually, question the space is that less space, so that's why that little bit problem. I'm just arranging. Otherwise, no problem that one. So now third question, what? 17 by 20. 17 by 20. Otherwise, I'm writing the first question. I'm writing 17 by 20. After that, 18 by 25 and 1 by 2. 18 by 25 and 1 by 2. These are the question. Question was there what? First question was 4 by 5. After that here 3 by 10. Next 17 by 20, 18 by 25 and 1 by 2. First two already finished. 1 and 2 already finished. Now we find out the question number 3. 17 by 20. So 17 by 20 means we can write what? 70 by 20 into 100 or not? Clear? After that we can cancel it here. 0 cancel. Here 2 5 are 10. That means 5 we are getting here. 5 into 75. That means 85%. Clear? 85%. Okay. Now 18 by 25. 18 by 25 into 100. So 25 for ja 25 4 is 100 and 18 into 4 72, that means 72%. Okay, clear? Next 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 100%, that means here 250 is 100, that means here we are getting 50%. Clear? So now see, I am writing here which one first. Here 80% was there first. Here 5 first means according to the question, not answer. Answer is telling here we are getting 80%, 30%, next 85, 72 and 50%. 5 question, no? 5 question. So which one is the descending order? We arrange it into descending order, and descending order means what? That big to smaller, no? Bigger to smaller. That means which one bigger here? 85% bigger. 85% bigger. Clear? And 85% bigger means that question was what? 17 by 20. 17 by 20 will come here. That is the first. After that, which sign? Less than or greater than? Greater than, because it is the greatest, no? Clear? It is the bigger, so that's why. After that. After that what? After that 80%. 80% means how much? 4 by 5. See? 4 by 5. So that's why we will write what? 4 by 5. Sorry, here 4 by 5. Next, greater than sign. Okay. After that, so 85 finish, 80 finish. Next 72%. 72% means what? 18 by 25. 18 by 25. Okay. After that what? 50%. 50% means 1 by 2. And next 30%. 30% means 3 by 10. These are the answer. That is the answer. Means 17 by 20 greater than 4 by 5 greater than 18 by 25 greater than 1 by 2 greater than 3 by 10. That is the answer. Clear? This is the answer. This is what? Descending order. After converting percentage, we are getting, this is the answer. Clear? Clear or not? And here in before this line, no, we can write like that. 85%, this one 85% was there, greater than this one 80% was there, greater than, next 72% was there, greater than, next 50% was there, greater than, next 32% was there. That one also we can write it. 30, not 30%, sorry, here 30% here. That also you can write it. Clear everyone? Clear? Understood everyone? Clear or not everyone? I have understood. And you any problem? I am telling again and again. Please you inform me. Again I will do it. Okay? So fraction part finished, and another part. Total 4 questions are there. Another question I will do it. The number 4 I will do. Okay? 2 and 3. That one you will do it. 2 and 3. That one you will try. And even in doubt, you inform me. I will do again. Clear? So number 4 now I will do. Number 4. Okay, number 4 I will do. So at first you start it little bit, I will erase it. After that I will start it. Okay, at first you will try. I'm just erasing, so just give me time, like little bit time. After that you try it. After that I will explain it. Because space is important, no? Here no, little bit space, so that's why problem is coming. Otherwise no problem. Okay. Okay, now see. What is the question?